Whenever I think about my growing up years, that is the 90s, I automatically become nostalgic. So if you are a 90s kid, you should continue watching it. And even if you are not, you should watch it because I'm sure that there are so many things, especially kids of this generation, did not get to enjoy. So keep watching and enjoy this video. Hello everyone, this is Calliope and today we are going to take a trip down memory lane and talk about the awesome time that kids of the 90s experienced. So let's begin the video. Okay, apologies first of all if you are, hearing any rain sound because it is raining continuously, so I can't do anything about it. Number one are the candies like Melody and Parle Kismi Toffee and Mango Bite and Poppins. Do you remember those? I used to love eating Kismi toffees so much. And do you even remember Pan Pasan? Yeah, that tasted like pan somehow. Loved it. Number two, drinking beverages like fruity and Gold Spot, Limca, and Duke's Mangola, which actually tasted like it was thick like the armrest. I wish we could get that now also. I remember having fruity like all the time. I remember going to my dad's garage. I used to get bored, but I do remember having loads of these stuff, and that was the only reason I used to go there, to eat and drink all these stuff. Number three is that Kodak camera, if you remember, where we used to put the film. Um, there was a roll, which was there, and it was definitely not the point and shoot cameras we get now, or the highly professional cameras, or the phone cameras. But yes, I still do have that camera somewhere, somewhere in the cupboard. Um, so yes, we shot a lot of pictures of my childhood with that camera. Number four, before the CD and DVD player took over, we actually had a tape recorder and we used to listen to the cassettes. We had like loads of it, and we also used the Walkman sometimes to listen to music. We had a tape recorder which was like we could record and we could save the songs, like we had the double decker one, so I could put the cassette into this one. I used to put the empty cassette and we used to transfer the songs. So that's how we made a lot of mixtapes and cassette. Number five, before DVD players and CD players took over, we used to watch movies firstly on Doordarshan, then when cable TV came, we used to watch on TV, and then we also had VCR, which is damn expensive. But yes, my dad bought that, and we used to sometimes we used to buy, sometimes we used to rent a movie which was on VHS tapes. I think I may have one or two of them still somewhere in the godown. Number six, playing indoor games like snakes and ladders, Ludo, and building bricks. And even in school, we used to have a game which was called Jolly. We used to write an alphabet, or we needed something written with a pen. Number 7 is before the set-top box and dish antennas took over, we actually used to go to the terrace if there was any disturbance to tinker with the antenna, and we used to, ask our parents that, okay, is this fine now? Is this fine? Is the connection fine? Number 8 is receiving letters and postcards from relatives or family friends. No one writes them anymore. I love letters. Love letters, or just general letters. I just love them still. Number 9, our favorite TV shows were DuckTales, Small Wonder, I Dream of Jeannie, Shaktiman, Hip Hip Hooray, Just Mohammed. I do remember watching Full House and Oprah also. So many amazing shows. Even the Hindi shows were like so amazing. Shriman Shrimati, uh, Banegi Apni Baat, which, yeah, there was like Tara and that Z horror show. And all those there were also there, but apart from that, there were a lot of good comedy shows also, Hum Panch and a few others, Wable Ki Dunya. So many, I don't remember it very well, but yes, I do remember watching them. Number 10, indie pop music. Oh, I do miss it so much. Amazing songs from singers, independent singers, like, there was of course Sonu Nigam with his albums, and of course he even sang in Bollywood, but there were others like Alisha Chinay and some Punjabi singers, Bali Sagu's songs, then Daler Mehndi, and who was that? Sunita Rao, right? The Pari Hoon Main songs singer. Then Shiba Mugdals. So many amazing singers. And I still get so nostalgic when I listen to these songs, because I do remember listening to these songs and then imagining and fantasizing about my crushes. So these are the songs I love listening to. Number 11 is the landline phones, and then we had the cordless phone. I used to be so excited when the landline phone first was, connected at our home. I used to run to pick up whenever I was at home uh, to receive the calls, and most of the time I used to call my dad. I had a few friends I used to call, but yeah, so it is amazing. And then the cordless phone came, and of course later on the mobile phones, but I did not have a mobile phone till the early 2000s, somewhere around 2003 or something, because I had it in the third year of my college. So I somehow did not feel it was important, but then when my sister got a phone, I was like, I used it. I love I love playing the games and everything. And I was like, okay, I also want it now, because my dad, when he bought a mobile phone for my sister, he was like, do you also want one? Because by that time, I guess I was in college, and I said, no, I don't need it. So then later on, I was like, okay, I want it. So my dad bought the first Nokia phone. I love Nokia. I wish it was that much good now. I don't really like them now. I love the Samsung phones. Number 12 are the school picnics at National Park, Water Kingdom, Essel World, Gorai Beach. Yeah, That was like pretty much the common ones. So that's it from me, folks. I hope you liked the video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you are a 90s kid, and are there any other things that you remember about the 90s. There are so many other things, but of course I could not, like, put everything in one video. So if you have something to say, if you have some memories to share, please go ahead and write in the comments below, and share this with your friends who grew up in the 90s. Apart from that, please subscribe if you haven't. If you're enjoying my videos, then please go ahead and press the